Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a product-based business with little to nothing. So this is just going to need a few or just a couple of thousands just to start this business. So it's going to be a product-based business where you are selling a product, a physical product, but you're going to start this business with no capital. So this is going to be some kind of dropshipping business, but you won't need local suppliers for you to be able to do that, because what I've seen with local suppliers when I was running dropshipping is that they do not have all the products that we need or may need to start our dropshipping business. So what you're going to do is to buy a few products. This is especially for those who want to sell maybe products like handbags, sunglasses, or jewelry, any kind of jewelry. They can do this without capital. What you're going to do is to buy a few samples. If you want to sell 10 different types of handbags, you start with only buying one handbag to just market the product, the other handbags that you want to sell, or sunglasses, different types of sunglasses, and then you market this for free using TikTok. You just have to post every day, 4 times a day or 5 times a day if you can, and market your products. The first thing or the first content that you can have is when you are opening your package, which is your sample packages, and you are opening, and people will start asking, where did you get those bags? How much are you selling that for? And that's when or how you get your first customers. And the second thing that you need to do is to go and open a free Ecommerce store, which allows you to add up to 10 products. And I have a video about Ecommerce or opening a free online store using Ecommerce. And then you have your TikTok to market your products, and also then later you can also go to Instagram, and then you have Ecommerce. So now you can sell your products. Now what you have to do after marketing, you make sure that on your website, or even when you are marketing, you do tell your customers that they will get their products after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This way you will not have customers complaining of late deliveries, because you are open about that they will get their products after placing an order. This gives you a chance to use the money that your customers paid, and then you take it and buy those products, and then the remaining is your profit. So that is a way of starting a product-based business without having capital, but you will need a little bit of cash to buy those sample handbags, so that when you are marketing on TikTok, it looks natural and real. They can see that the handbag is already there, because you don't want to use internet pictures and just showing those pictures, and people are not even sure that you have those products. Have videos of you opening the packages. That way your customers will be able to see that indeed you have this product and is there, because they can see it, you're holding it, you're just opening it, so that they can see the quality. That's enough content to run you 3 months or until you have more products to add to your store. And that's how you start a product-based business without having any capital or a lot or huge amount to start the business. And thank you so much for watching up to here. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.